That is what we have today. And if you wanna do a bit of pasta maybe, and you call us down, because then Marisa goes to his room, and then we're left only us